Is it possible to make digital art with a HB pencil? Yes. On the 1st of January 2025, while scrolling through shorts like we mindlessly do, I came across a video that changed my approach to art. An artist used the back end of a HB pencil to draw on their phone, and I couldn't believe my eyes. I immediately stopped what I was doing, grabbed the worn out pencil, and tried it out. It worked. For the past few weeks, I've been making all my art with a pencil, whether practicing fundamentals or creating webtoon pages for an upcoming competition. My speed has increased exponentially, but there are some challenges. If you've been drawing with your fingers most of the time, transitioning to a pen, even if digital, can feel like using a new medium. Android users might face issues like cracked screens, causing strokes to break up. Sometimes it just stops working entirely, which can be very annoying. What can we do about these issues? Practice, practice, practice. You'll get used to most of the bugs, and if it stops working, you will just swap back to using your fingers. It's that easy. Drawing with this method is great if you're a broke Android artist like me. If you have proper equipment or can afford one, using proper equipment will help you reach your deadlines faster. And if you're participating in a contest like Webtoon Legends, this method might help you meet deadlines. If you are new to digital art and want to participate in a contest, check out the video on the right. And for my next video, I'll show you how I created my Webtoon page from scratch using the digital HB method. It's out in a week, so subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. Or if you're from the future, watch this video next. Thank you.